Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
A whakararangi poto to Kirikiriroa as they fake again to the front, and it's another kōkiri here for Kirikiriroa. They break through here and they're over. That's a great pedal here for Kirikiriroa. Swan goes to Vanderheiden. We just spoke about him and his size, and I'm sure Kirikiriroa will look to get their way upfield, and the ball's gone loose, and that's accidental offside. So that's a very good call there from our referee. And he strikes it well. It is over. Kirikiriroa still with possession. They need to settle here, get to the phases. And the number one, thankfully, he's got him back to his feet from Papaioea. And there's a huge cutter pass here for Anderson. And he's gone down the sideline here for Kirikiriroa. He's free. Can he finish here? And he's broken several tackles. He's gone all the way. That's a great try from Ross Anderson. They ball up in secure position, and a great offload here for Papaioea. So they do continue with position there. We have an advantage here, Pongaki, Papaioea, as they link up through there. Number 15, Kennedy. Think well to... Yes, Zach, they're number 10, Verloin. He strikes it low and hard, and it's over there. So open side, but Swan does decide to give it to Anderson, who scored a great try. And they do want to hold their discipline. And he's gone to the pocket, and going forward, they don't want to stop. Let's keep building more phases. Arnold with another pick and go, half a metre closer to the Paiu. Very close here, Kirikiriroa. That's a great drive, and it's over the line. But the referee's called knock on, I believe. Again, they'll go to the kakari as we see a fake jump there, and they're going straight through Kirikiriroa. I think they're going to score here, and they do so. Again, great set piece. Kirikiriroa already had possession close to halfway as great ball there from Marato. He had a tough pass, and it's a skip pass here to Gruen, who links up to Dupree Marshall, who's run down the sideline, and he chips over the top here. So inside the Rua to go Marua, and the ball fakes bounce, and he's knocked it on, unfortunately. If Dupree Marshall was able to gather that. As we go blindside here through the outside backs, Papaioea. Nice carry there from Sua. Back to the open side, and more backdoor plays here, and there's numbers here for Papaioea. As a great here from Kennedy. He's broken and flick pass here to the number 9. It's a great run here from Brunel. He's going to go all the way, and it's a try here from Papaioea. Trying to hold him up here. He's fighting to get the ground, and if they're able to kill the ruck, it'll be a turnover. However, the ball is there, so the referee sees that and lets Alexander carry into contact. Kirikiriroa building phases through Swan. He goes out to Rata, who gives it to Gruen. And it's a skip pass too. He's got to link up here. It's Dupree Marshall. And he's in. They're able to grab onto position. So Walker, well done from him as Waitai Hainga looks to carry into contact. He's done well in terms of his carries today. And Papaioea trying to slow down the ball, and the referee has got the poinga to Kirikiriroa. So we're going back to the open as Rata throws a nice pass out here to Newman. He links up with Anderson. We see the number 19 Walker. Unfortunately, wasn't able to bring that in. Kirikiriroa just getting the grasp of this game. And Rata strikes well, and that's over. So it will be Te Papaioea pedal in front four. So I'm looking to see whether they go with a wide strike, and they do miss pass here, and they link up with the number 11, and he's broken free here. So Papaioea with a nice offload, and they've gone edge to edge. As Kirikiriroa try and steal the ball, and they're able to do so through Marshall. And he links up and he throws the dummy actually, Whānau. So he's made a great run and also given an offload, but they just need to settle here. Kirikiriroa has swung, tries a box kick. It's going to fall great for Gruen. Gruen links up here for Swan. The captain for Kirikiriroa passes it back inside to Miller. Miller's going to score.
That is an awesome try.
The referee's letting this ruck continue, and so they were able to steal possession, Kirikiriroa, and Swan's given a good box kick here as that's tidy clean up work there. And there's another dashing run here through Kennedy. Kennedy's made several breaks here, and he's made another one. Is he able to link up here, Whānau? Rima Mita Kite Piro, and it's a huge miss pass here for Papaioea. Can they link up? He's got the number 5 outside him as the number 8 goes an offload here. The ball's hit the ground and the number 5 Toka's gone over, but in New Zealand rugby as Papaioea, they're going to just go straight to work. They know that they trail here in this one, so they're going to the pick and goes, and the referee's blowing. It's a knock on. As we see the replacement halfback for Kirikiriroa feed the ball. It's a good pass here, and including an overlap here through Kirikiriroa. So Gruen's an open play, and he's trying to link up here with their number 22, who's also giving it to Anderson, and it's another knock on, unfortunately. They want to exit. Surprisingly, they do need points, Papaioea, so I would have thought they would have kept the ball in hand. So we see a counter-attack play here through Jay Wilson. He gives the ball out to Drongo, and Drongo's able to give it to Gruen. Gruen's got Ross Anderson on the outside. I don't know if he's going to need him at Te Papaioea, and he's going straight under the post.
Awesome.
And they do decide to go to the drive, Whānau. So they're actually going forward here, Papaioea. They're going to get very close here, Whānau. And they've got some numbers out wide too, but they're going to go with the pick and go, which is great if they're moving forward, and they do, in fact, find.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Fuck, I don't know, and you know.